Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're talking about dust collectors. With dry blast cabinets, as you know, it does create a lot of dust, and a dust collector can be very valuable in that process. Dust created when blasting can be harmful if inhaled, especially with medias like silica or metallic materials. A dust collector will help improve the air quality, which is going to be beneficial for any of your workers that are working around this dry blast cabinet and not inhaling that dust. In addition to keeping the environment cleaner, it's also going to keep your workspace cleaner. A dust collector is going to be removing the dust out of the air, therefore it will not settle on the equipment or on the surfaces around the dry blast cabinet. With a dust collector, removing the dust out of the air, it prevents dust from obscuring the surface of the part, causing contamination, and therefore leaving you a more consistent finish. Based on your industry and your location, there may be specifications requiring your environment or your workpiece spaces to be very clean. Therefore, the dust collector comes in handy in allowing you to have a clean workspace. So when you have excessive dust, it is possible that it can create wear and also lower your efficiency in your process. Therefore, I feel like having a dust collector is definitely valuable when you're setting up a dry blast cabinet. And stay tuned because you can definitely get questions on a reclamation as well. Give us a call if you have any questions. My name is Nikki. It's 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.